From raw plant to refined ingredient, the transformation is remarkable. It takes nearly a year of careful cultivation before sugarcane is ready for harvest.
Steam signals energy use and ongoing processing.
A global supply chain delivers sugar to millions of consumers.
Harvest timing is crucial. Too early or too late reduces sugar yield.
Large amounts of water are required to sustain sugarcane throughout its growth cycle. Vast fields support large-scale sugar production.
Cane is cut close to the ground, where sugar concentration is greatest.
On large farms, mechanical harvesters replace manual labor. These machines cut, clean, and chop cane in a single operation. Farmers closely monitor the crop to ensure maximum sugar content. During harvest season, factories operate continuously.
Fresh cane is immediately loaded for transport to the factory. Most factories require cane to arrive within 24 hours of harvest.
Cane fields are prepared for the next growth cycle.
Leaves and tops are removed, leaving only the valuable stalk.
The harvest cycle repeats, ensuring a continuous sugar supply. In many regions, harvesting still relies on skilled manual labor.
The process repeats, maintaining the global sugar supply.
Sugar production begins far from factories, in vast tropical fields where sugarcane grows under the sun.
Once harvested, sugarcane must be processed quickly to prevent sugar loss. Each clean cut ensures minimal damage and maximum sugar retention.
Samples are tested to measure sugar content before processing. Speed is critical, as sugarcane begin losing sucrose after cutting.
Each truck carries tons of freshly harvested cane. This is where raw sugarcane is transformed into refined sugar. Factories operate at full capacity to process incoming cane.
This makes sugar factories largely energy self-sufficient.
Inside the factory, every machine works in perfect coordination.
Technicians constantly monitor systems to ensure efficiency.
After inspection, the cane is unloaded using powerful hydraulic systems. Mechanical cleaners remove remaining dirt and unwanted material.
The cane enters the factory through a continuous conveyor system. Automation allows thousands of tons of cane to be harvested daily.
Sugar-rich juice is released during each crushing stage.
These conveyors feed the factory non-stop during harvest season. Cane passes through several mills to maximize sugar recovery. The cane is thoroughly washed to protect machinery
and improve juice quality.
This ensures efficient and damage-free processing. This cleaner juice continues to the next stage.
What begins as green cane becomes the white sugar we use every day.
Evaporators heat the juice in stages for efficiency.
Only clean cane continues to the extraction process.
Molasses, a valuable byproduct, is collected separately. Lime is added to adjust pH and bind impurities.
These rollers apply immense pressure to squeeze out juice. The cane is cut into smaller fibers to release trapped juice.
Vacuum pressure allows boiling at lower temperatures. Silos keep sugar dry, cool, and safe until packaging. Once ready, the mixture is released for separation.
The treated juice now enters massive clarifiers.
Skilled workers supervise critical points in production. Dedicated workers support every step of production. Clarifiers use gravity to separate solids from liquid.
Wet sugar is transported to rotating dryers.
The prepared cane moves directly into heavy crushing mills.
Water is added to wash out remaining sugar, a process called imbibition. This thick residue is known as filter mud. Filter mud is removed and collected separately. Filter mud is returned to fields, enriching the soil naturally. The byproduct is reused as fertilizer in cane fields. Factories burn bagasse to generate steam and electricity.
Bagasse fuels boilers, generating energy for the facility.
Meanwhile, extracted juice moves to the purification stage.
This juice contains sugar along with many impurities.
The mixture thickens into massachet. Controlled stirring ensures uniform crystal size. Clean, clarified juice rises to the surface. This syrup is transferred into vacuum pans.
Heat causes water to slowly evaporate.
Heat causes water to slowly evaporate.
This prevents sugar from burning or degrading. Heat helps separate unwanted materials from the sugar solution.
Now the juice must be concentrated by removing water.
Clean sugar crystals are now ready for drying.
Color and clarity are analyzed to meet quality standards.
Steam indicates energy use and processing activity.
Precise control is critical during crystallization.
Samples are tested for moisture, color, and purity.
Now, the sugar has consistent crystal size, ready for inspection. Sugar is sorted into uniform sizes for quality consistency.
These tiny grains are the final product, ready for consumption.
Sugar is fed into automated packaging lines for bagging.
Crystals are washed to remove any remaining molasses coating. Bagasse is not waste. It becomes a valuable energy source. Water and byproducts are recycled to minimize waste.
The juice is heated to prepare it for clarification.
Centrifuges spin to separate sugar crystals from liquid molasses.
Drying removes remaining moisture without melting the sugar. As water leaves, the juice becomes thicker. Industrial processes produce sugar for everyday consumption. Once dried, sugar must be cooled to prevent clumping.
Every package is weighed to ensure consistency.
Consumer-sized packages are precisely filled and sealed. Labels provide traceability and production details. Final quality checks ensure only the best sugar reaches consumers. From field to factory to home, sugar completes its journey. Each grain is the result of careful agricultural and industrial effort. Large warehouses store finished sugar before distribution.
Automation efficiently stacks sugar for transport.
Pallets are wrapped to protect sugar during transportation.
Sugar is loaded onto trucks for delivery worldwide.
Harvest season requires continuous operation to maintain sugar quality.
Every delivery is weighed to track production and quality.
Distribution networks deliver sugar to retailers and manufacturers.
Industrial sacks are also packed for bulk distribution.
Each grain represents hours of careful processing. It sweetens drinks and recipes around the world.
Sugar is essential in food production and baking industries.
Sugar reaches homes and industries worldwide for food production.
Tiny seed crystals are introduced to start crystal growth.
At night, the facility continues to operate efficiently.
A simple ingredient with a complex story, ready for the world.